How to update Instagram on iPhone or Android. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update Instagram on your iPhone or Android device. Start by opening the App Store if you are on iPhone or the Play Store if you are on Android. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top and type in Instagram. From the search results, select Instagram and tap on it. On the Apps page, look for an option that says Update. If an update is available, you will see the Update button. Tap on it, and the app will start updating to the latest version. If you do not see the Update button and only see Open, it means your Instagram app is already up to date. In that case, another option you can try is reinstalling the app. Exit the App Store and go back to your home screen, where all your apps are listed. Find Instagram, long press on the icon, and tap Remove App. From the pop-up that appears, tap Delete App to uninstall it completely. Once done, go back to the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram again, and tap Install. The app will be installed fresh with the latest version. This method works if you think your app is outdated but no update appears in the store. After updating or reinstalling, open Instagram and log in to continue using your account with all the new features available. I hope this tutorial has helped you update Instagram on your iPhone or Android. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to update Instagram on iPhone or Android.